Good evening, of course, comrade. It's your old pal Vladimir. Today I tell a story of how company nearly go bankrupt, Vlad lose job and have to support itself in alternative ways and well, grand theft. So, normally we have special running of raffles where we do random draw and people they win money based on certain criteria that make no sense and generally we never pay out. And most of the time, the way contest work is membership dues are routed instead of payout, thus far causing, in fact, us to net gain during transaction. Only way maintain solvency. This year issue come arrive and somebody high on crocodile write software code and nearly cause worldwide or at least company-wide havoc when algorithm go fucked up haywire crazy. Individual named Martha enter a contest and her and husband turn out to be winner and in fact for the only time in company history, there was the issue of a payout that was actually not negative in the net. They were actually cash positive. They won money. No, of course, this never could happen, and it never has happened because we not pay these people. They are just ignorant sheep and buy ticket anyway, expecting to win money. Fucking stupid, but what can you do? However, from previously described issue, this time these individuals actually gain money. Total payout cost $46.93. Now, we came up with several different methodologies, which our creative team decide ways to fuck people out of cash. However, first attempt at adding logarithmic pay scale, which actually was a negative logarithm that made physical, mathematical no sense and was basically shallow veiled disguise in order to simply, anally rape people out of their cash. However, even with this sophisticated Ponzi scheme, they still calculate payout $46.93. Of course, this is not possible. If we pay this money, the company go bankrupt, not liquid, zero asset, inflated ruble. Big problem, of course. So what do we do? There need to be some portion of this resolved, or we all fucking die. So, eventually, we come to conclusion that we send text us, we send check to the contest winner, and we simply decide no paycheck. Everybody not happy, perfect Russian transaction. But some shitface in accounting decided that apparently the problem was this individual was huffing crocodile and that turned out to send wrong check. Actually pay out tremendous amount of $46.97. And unfortunately, companies insolvent go bankrupt. 44,000 people lay off. Next week, no one get money. Russia once again plunge into mass hysteria, and everybody just basically absolutely fucked. So then, yeah, if you have seen this bedlam in the street recently, you now have inside track on what actually caused problem. Shitface huffing crocodile put a fucking decimal point in wrong spot, nearly collapsed ruble. Well, actually, theoretically, not. It did collapse ruble. slice of country's nuts. Suicide rate increased by 400,000%. Now, please send snail mail, as you know our servers are no longer operating. Country no longer have internets. So please send mail with questions, and we will attempt to answer and broadcast some shit. Now, this old pal Vladimir Putin, and thank you very much for the listening, and remember, motto of people in Russia: we drink vodka for breakfast. Thank you. Have a terrific day. Good night.